So let's move to the edit. So we need first to create a new edit file. So let's move to our employees folder. So here inside employees, so we need edit.blade.php. So it will be the same as create, only we will add some changes. So let's paste here. And here it's so instead of create, let's use edit. And here instead of store, so we need update, and we need employee ID, and we need to keep the ink type multi-part form data. And for the so here for the old value, so we need to use employee first name. So let's copy from here and do the same thing for the last name. So change it from first to last. And also for the other fields. So we have email. Okay, let's add email. We have also, what else? We have phone. We have address. And we have the date of birth. Date of birth. Same thing for the higher date. And what else? Same thing for salary. And what else? So the image, so we don't need to display the image. So for the department, let's do the same thing. So here all the values, so we need also the department. Where is it? So the department, so the employee department ID. So let's copy. Position, same thing. So here, so instead of department, we need position. What else? We have status, so it's same thing here. Status. And same thing here. Status. If you want to display all the image, so you can do it like this. So let's move here to the index page. So we have, where is it? So we have the image here, so we can copy. So here is the image here. So this one, this is the image. So let's do something. Let's add another div with margin top and bottom of 2. And displayed employee image, and instead of let's give it 100 and 150, and that's all. Okay, so let's refresh the page now and hit the edit button. So if we hit the edit button, so we are redirected to create employees. So I think I made a mistake here. So let's, because I have copied from the create, so I did not change here to edit. So just notice it. So save. Let's refresh again. So as you can see, we have first name, the email, address, the date of birth, the higher date, salary, image, and the administration position. The status is active, and so I think let's remove this img fluid from here and keep only the width and the height. So let's refresh. So now it's better. Okay, so let's choose the status to inactive and keep the other fields as they are. So we have a problem here. So I think the problem is, so I know the problem, so we don't need to wait because as you can see, it takes time. So when we have an error, so it takes time. And the error here is, so here the method is post, so we need to override it. So here we are updating, so we need to override it to put. And let's move down and change here to warning. And instead of save, let's make it update employee. So as you can see here, the post method is not supported. So without waiting for the error, so let's go back. So we need to go back again. So refresh the page. So now the button has changed. Let's make it inactive or inactive. So let's see. So now it's inactive. Let's go back to our employees. So now it's inactive. Let's change everything and keep the image. So let's update. So employee updated with new data. So let's change now the image. So let's go down, choose a file. So let's now update the employee. So now as you can see, we have the new image. Okay, so if we go to the updates page again, so you have new image. If we cancel, we are redirected back to the home page or to the index. Let's check for the deletes if it is working or not. So we have, as you can see, we have only one image, which is the delete image. When we update, so we remove when we update. So here when we update, so we remove the old image. Okay, so it's working. As you can see, we have only one image inside our images folder. So now we are done with the update. So next we need to move to show, which is this one. So we need, once we click on this button, so we need to do the same thing. So we need to display the details of this employee and add also. So we need to add the button that will download the CV or the employee data as a PDF. Okay, so let's do that now.